When we did the Barker's Island restoration, it was about recognizing that that water was not fit for human use as often as we wanted it to be, and the beach was not really conducive for the children and the families and the adults that we wanted to be able to experience that beach. So the restoration is really just about people being able to use it and enjoy it, and that's what they're able to do now.
We just moved over to Barker's 3 years ago, and it has been excellent to us. We connect people to their waterways through being on the water, through experience. Putting kids out on the water and teaching them how to be on a watercraft in a safe manner. For the kids to know docking etiquette, where they can go in a marina and can't go, they learn all these things when they paddle with us.
It really wasn't a place where people would frequent, but with the project and the investment in the health of that area and the health of the water and all of it, people have just gravitated towards it and have a lot of pride. And it's a major tourist pass-through, so great to be able to have that for our community and for everyone to enjoy.
Our job is to connect people to the water, to connect people to the river so that they fall in love with the river again, so that all of these projects that we've done to clean up the historical pollution won't happen again.